Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between landscape and portrait mode on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. If you'd like to switch between vertical and horizontal recording, there are two methods of doing that. You don't need to be afraid to just manually rotate it like so. And we'll just listen to you and do as it's told. So that is pretty easy. You can just rotate it like so. Or if you don't want to touch the phone because maybe you want to do it mid-recording or you just don't want to touch it, then you can simply double press on this rotation button. Now it'll rotate vertical or horizontal. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.